Sup guys, Nasser here. So in this channel I make a new video every 3 or 4 days regarding helpful tips and tricks to improve your Windows 10 experience, as well as helpful videos to overcome problems you might have with your device. So if you are having any problem you want help with, just drop it down in the comments below or contact me on my Facebook account using the link in the description to help you with your issue. So in this video I will show you a method how to fix brightness not responding to changing it from the Action Center using the bar in the Action Center or in the display settings in the Mobility Center, or even by using the shortcut on the keyboard to change the brightness using the function keys. So what to do in this case, we will just head for the device manager. It's a very easy method to implement and to do so. Under monitors we will select generic monitor, right click here and select uninstall, then choose uninstall, and after this we will reinstall it using the scan for hardware changes. It will reinstall the most compatible version that was pre-installed on the device, and now we will update it to the latest version. Right click, select update, and select search automatically. By doing so, Windows will download and install the latest version of the driver on the device, and that should fix the issue entirely. So guys, this is it for this video. So thumbs if you like what you see, sub if you love what you see, and bye bye guys. See you with the next one.